We now discuss the solution of a problem from the section Applications of Binomial Theorem, and this problem has appeared in JEE Main examination held on 25th July 2021 in the second shift. The problem is the sum of all those terms which are rational numbers in the expansion 2 power 1/3 plus 3 power 1/4 whole power 12 is, the four options are given to us. Option 1, 27. Option 2, 89. Option 3, 35. Option 4, 43. We now discuss the solution. It is known that the general term in the binomial expansion x plus a whole power n is given by t r plus 1 r plus 1th term is equal to n c r into x power n minus r into a power r, where n is a positive integer. And in our case, the general term in the given binomial expansion 2 power 1/3 plus 3 power 1/4 whole power 12 is given by. In the above, we put n is equal to 12, x is equal to 2 power 1/3 and a is equal to 3 power 1/4. We get r plus 1th term is equal to 12 cr into 2 power 1/3 to the power of 12 minus r into 3 power 1/4 to the power of r, where r takes the values 0, 1, 2, etc. up to 12. Now 12 cr into 2 to the power of 1/3 to the power of 12 minus r is 2 to the power of 12 minus r by 3, and 3 power 1 by 4 to the power of r will be 3 power r by 4. And now 12 minus r by 3 is written as 12 by 3, that is 4 minus r by 3 here. So term r plus 1 is equal to 12 cr into 2 power 4 minus r by 3 into 3 power r by 4. Note that 12 cr is a positive integer for all r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 12. Now 2 to the power of 4 minus r by 3 will give you an irrational number if r is not a multiple of 3. For example, suppose r is equal to 11. 11 is not a multiple of 3. Then it will be 2 to the power of 4 minus 11 by 3, taking the LCM and simplifying, it will be 2 to the power of 12 minus 11 by 3, that is 1 by 3. 2 power 1/3 is the cubed root of 2, which is irrational. So this is irrational if r is not a multiple of 3. 3 power r by 4 is irrational if r is not a multiple of 4. And these two things will give you rational numbers if r is not a r is a multiple of 3 and r is a multiple of 4. So now term r plus 1 will give you a rational number if r is a multiple of 3 and r is a multiple of 4. That is, r is equal to 0, 3, 6, 9, 12. These are the multiples of 3. R is equal to 0, 4, 8, 12. These are the multiples of 4. So r must be a multiple of both 3 and 4. So tr plus 1 is rational if r is multiple of 3 as well as multiple of 4, and that will be r is equal to 0 comma 12. These are the only two numbers which are multiples of both 3 and 4 in the range 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 12. We continue in the next slide. Now we want to find sum of all those terms which are rational numbers. That is the term 0 plus 1 plus term 12 plus 1. That is t 0 plus 1 plus t 12 plus 1. So substitute in this, r is equal to 0 and write down, and r is equal to 12 in this and write down, and that will be 12c0 into 2 to the power of 4 minus 0 by 3 into 3 power 0 by 4, and 12c12 2 power 4 minus 12 by 3 into 3 power 12 by 4. So here 12c0 is 1 and 3 power 0 is 1, and this will give you 2 power 4. 12c12 is 1, and this is 2 to the power of 4 minus 12 by 3, that is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 to the power of 0 is 1, and 3 to the power of 12 by 4 is 3 cube. So this will give you the answer 3 cube. So that will be equal to 2 to the power of 4 plus 3 cube, that is equal to 16 plus 27, that is equal to 43. Therefore, the sum of all those terms which are rational numbers in this expansion is 43. So let's look at the options, and our answer 43 appears against option 4. Therefore, our answer is option 4. So that is a very simple and straightforward question from the section Applications of Binomial Theorem. I hope that you have understood the solution of this problem, and every time at least 1 or 2 problems are appearing from the Applications of Binomial Theorem, and it's a very important section, and go on working out some more problems on these lines from a standard textbook. I wish you all the best. Thank you.